What is the work of the beard oil? A beard oil has a lot of things that it does when you apply it to your beard or to a place where you want to grow the beard. As you can see, my beard right now it looks dry and it's not looking shiny. But look what happens when I apply the beard growth oil. 3 drops, 1, 2, 3 drops of Aichun beard growth oil. Then I rub my hands here. Then I apply this. Just doing this, it actually changes how your beard looks. Do you see that? My beard looks different now. It looks shiny and it looks amazing. And actually it smells good. It smells amazing, and that's what you want. You want your beard to look smart. You want your beard to look clean, to look amazing. 3 drops of a beard growth oil on your hands and rub them together. Then you apply it to your beard nicely and make sure that it's absorbed under that skin where your beard grows. If you do these things, you see that your beard will start growing faster and it will start growing healthily and it will look amazing. And a lot of people will actually say that your beard looks clean and smart and it smells good. That's what you want. Beard growth oil that I use is the Aichun. It works as a beard oil, it works as a beard growth oil. It has a lot of benefits. The Aichun beard growth oil works and it is just an amazing tool that you want to use. And also the beard balm. So what I do is I actually open it and it looks like this. Then you just get enough beard balm, put enough beard balm in your hands, then apply it too. The beard balm, what it does is actually it moisturizes and actually structures your beard nicely so that it looks amazing and clean. And that's what you want. These are the things that you need to make sure that you continue doing every day as you continue to grow the beard. And that way your beard will look smart, clean, and you will love it. And that's just it, gentlemen. If you have any questions about beard growth or anything to do about these products that I use, please ask me a question down below in the comments and I will make sure that I respond to you. Thank you for watching.